In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive in ClickUp. If you've ever tucked something away and now need it back, this walkthrough will make that quick and stress-free. Archiving in ClickUp is great for keeping your workspace clean without deleting anything. Unarchiving simply brings those items back into view so you can work with them again. We'll focus on finding where archived content lives inside a space and revealing it so you can decide what to bring back. Start by heading to ClickUp in your browser or desktop app. Once you're in your workspace, make sure you're looking at the area where your space controls are visible. You'll usually see the space name near the top of the interface. If you're in a broad view like everything, switch your focus back to the space you're working with so the space-specific options appear. This matters because archived items are organized by where they originally lived, and revealing them is done from the space's own menu. Locate the space name at the upper part of the screen and open its menu. You're looking for the menu that controls settings and views for that specific space. If you have multiple spaces, take a moment to select the one that originally contained the item you want to bring back. Choosing the correct space will save you time and ensure you're seeing the right archived content. Inside that space menu, click the three dots to open more options. From there, select Show Archived. The moment you enable this, ClickUp will surface any archived folders, lists, docs, and related items within that space. You'll notice archived content appears with clear labels or a slightly different style, so you can tell it's archived at a glance. Think of this as flipping on a light switch. You're not changing the data yet, you're simply making the archived items visible so you can evaluate them. With archived items now visible, review what appears and confirm you're in the right place. This view is perfect for scanning older projects and deciding what needs to return to active work. If you don't see what you expect, double-check that you're in the correct space and that the Show Archived option is still enabled. Keep in mind that some actions may require specific permissions in your workspace, so if you can view but not modify certain items, an admin may need to adjust your access. When you're done reviewing, you can turn off Show Archived the same way to clean up your view. That's all it takes to reveal archived items in ClickUp so you can bring back exactly what you need.